Hi, welcome to the Crafty Manatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to work the decrease stitch for your Amigurumi projects. This is part 4 of the Amigurumi Basics series here on my channel, where I'm showing you all of the basics that you're going to need to start crocheting your own Amigurumi projects. Part 1 was how to create a magic ring to get your project started. Part 2 was how to work a single crochet stitch, which is the main stitch used throughout most Amigurumi projects. And part 3 was how to work an increase stitch in your projects. This tutorial will show you how to work a decrease stitch. Decrease stitches are worked for the exact opposite reason that increase stitches are worked. Increase stitches are worked when you want the number of stitches per round to get larger, and decrease stitches are worked when you want that total number of stitches to get smaller. For example, here on my crochet capybara, which is available as a free pattern here on the channel, we are working increases at the beginning of the capybara to help it grow into this size. And then at the end of the capybara, we start working decreases to close it off. So it looks almost exactly the same, but we're working increases at first and decreases at the end. To work a decrease stitch in Amigurumi, we are going to be working through just the front 2 loops of the next 2 stitches. So when your pattern calls for a decrease, you're going to insert your hook from bottom to top through that first loop of the next stitch. Then you're going to do the same thing to the second stitch. So it looks a little bit funny and it can take a little getting used to, but this is how it will look when you have your original loop and then the front 2 loops of the next 2 stitches on your hook. Now you're just going to yarn over and pull through both of those front 2 loops. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops on your hook. So I'm going to show you that again. You're just going to insert your hook through those first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. This process of decreasing stitches makes invisible decreases along your project, so you can't even tell where you're working the decreases. It just naturally starts to get smaller and smaller. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to work the decrease stitch in your Amigurumi projects. I know it can be a little bit finicky at first to figure out how to get your hook through those front 2 loops, but I promise the more you do this, the easier it will get, and eventually it will become natural and you won't even have to think about it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet patterns and tutorials. You can find me on Instagram at the CrafteeManatee, and you can find all of my patterns on Ravelry, Rippler, and Etsy. Thanks for watching. Bye.